Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Wonderful. Hello my wonderful people, how are you? Annyeonghaseyo from Seoul, Annyeonghaseyo from South Korea. In this opportunity we're gonna be doing one of your favorite videos, which is the nightlife over here in Seoul, specifically in the area of Itaewon, a very vibey area over here in Seoul. So let's have a look what it's like, the nightlife in this area. So remember to subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and remember to leave a comment below. Enjoy the video, travel wonderful. So this is our first meeting point, which is called the Craig House, and from here we're gonna start the pub crawl actually, which starts at 9:30. I'm going to be leaving you the details of how to book it if you like to do so. And as you can see, it is the first stop, and it's already a lot of people from different nationalities from all around the world. So pretty excited to see with this night lead us. So I just took my first drink. I ordered a gin tonic, and it was 5,001 instead of 7,000 because we are with the pub crawl. So a good thing that with the pub crawl they give you special discounts. So there is over 100 people joining this pub crawl tonight. I have seen lots of different nationalities, so pretty excited to show you what it's like the nightlife over here in Itaewon in Seoul. So we're just leaving now the Craig House, which is our meeting point, and we're gonna be going to the next place. But before that we're gonna take a group picture. So we walk into the next place. Such a big crowd. This area is super vibey, guys. Super vibey, full of clubs, bars, restaurants, and it's very pretty. The whole way it's designed. Very beautiful. So this is the first place after the meeting point, guys, and it's called the Mansion, and it's very vibey already. Even though it's way early, there's a lot of people, and I believe the majority we are from the pub crawl. They put international music. I have seen some Korean people, but majority has been international people.
Mansion Club may not look huge from the outside, but the moment you walk in, boom, you feel the energy. The music hits you, the lights are going crazy, and the crowd, mostly local Koreans, just there to dance and have a great time. And that's what makes it so special. It's not full of tourists, even though we were in the pub crawl. It actually feels like you're experiencing the real Seoul nightlife. The music is always on point. You will hear Korean hip-hop, house, even reggaeton sometimes. The DJs know how to keep the crowds moving, and the sound system is insane, like you feel the beat in your chest. And let's talk about the drinks. Most clubs can get expensive, right? But Mansion Club is actually really good value. I got solid cocktails for under 10,000 won, which is around $7 US, and shots were cheap too. You can enjoy your night without spending crazy money over here. The crowd is also super chill. There is no strict dress code. You will see people in heels, sneakers, whatever. Everyone just here to enjoy dance and vibe. I even end up chatting with a few Koreans at the bar, as they told me this place has been a local favorite for a while over here.
So that was our experience at the mansion. Now we're ready to go to the next place. I really like the environment, even though I think it was too quick to go into party mode, because you know, first it's nice to go into a quiet place to get to know each other before going to party. But it's okay. I can't complain. Really good vibe. I like the fact there was Koreans and there was foreigners. Usually there are clubs that are assigned just for Koreans and some clubs for foreigners. But in here, I like in Itaewon that it's for everybody. So in here you can have foreigners and Koreans in the same club, which is really good thing. And also I like the fact here at the mansion they put a lot of different kind of music. So they put K-pop as well, and they put Latino music and international charts. So very good variety of music. Now everybody is just gathering outside. We are over 100 people in this pub crawl, and we are ready to go into the next place.
After an incredible time at Mansion Club, great music, local vibe, affordable drinks, we were feeling the energy, and we kept the night going. Our next stop, Club Utopia, just a short walk in the heart of Itaewon. Now, first impressions, Utopia looks great in the inside, modern design, cool lighting, and really polished setup. It felt like a proper club with a lot of potential for another great time. But here's where things change. The music, from the moment we walked in, it was full of electronic, non-stop techno, house, deep beats, and honestly, it wasn't our style. So this place is recommended if you really like this kind of music, but we really like more kind of Latino vibes, international vibes, and even K-pop. Don't get me wrong, the DJ was good, the crowd was into it, and the vibe was chilled, but after the high energy mixed music party at the mansion, this felt like a serious shift. No K-hip-hop, no reggaeton, no surprises, just beat after beat after beat. If you love electronic music, this is your place. But for us, it started feeling repetitive pretty quickly.
So the place that we came at after the mansion is called Utopia, and although the venue is nice, we didn't enjoy much because it was very small space and too many people, so you keep bumping into people, and there was only electronic music the whole time. If you're someone that doesn't like electronic, then you don't enjoy as much. Even Messi, he's not happy.
No, I'm not happy at all.
He didn't enjoy this club. Wow guys, and it's around midnight now, and look how crowded the streets of Itaewon are. We're just on our way to the next place, which I don't know which one it is, but I hope it's better than the previous one. But wow, it's so vibey over here, full of international people and full of locals, of course. So this is the next place we are going to. It's called K-pop Club. So obviously this wouldn't be a Korean nightlife without a K-pop club. So let's check it out. I can feel already it's better than the previous place because I quite like K-pop, so let's check it out, let's check it out.
Alright, so for our next stop, we stumbled upon this Itaewon K-pop club. Bright lights, loud music, and K-pop everywhere. From the outside, it's impossible to miss. Covered in neon, it's sponsored by Johnny Walker, and promising one thing, pure K-pop energy. If you're a fan of BTS, Blackpink, or EXO, this is your zone. Inside is exactly what you expect. Non-stop K-pop hits, synchronized by dance move and a crowd that's either singing along or filming everything. It honestly feels more like a live fan party than a traditional club. Now the vibe is super upbeat and fun, especially if you love K-pop culture. It's not as mixed as other clubs in terms of music. If you're not into K-pop, this might not be your thing. But if you are, you will probably love it. I mean, you are in South Korea and K-pop is part of the culture over here. Drinks were standard, not super cheap, not crazy either. You are mostly paying from the atmosphere. It's a great stop if you are hopping in Itaewon and want a taste of that K-pop scene up close. After experiencing the wide energy of Itaewon, now was the time for Hongdae. This area is younger, more chaotic, and packed with energy. We kick things off with a classic pop crawl, the perfect way to meet people and dive straight into the madness. And let me tell you, Hongdae did not disappoint.
This is our first place, which is the meeting point, which is the place called Utopia. And as we enter, we are received with tequila shots. So each participant of this pop crawl gets a free tequila shot on entrance. And on each place, we're gonna get discounted drinks and also free shots. This is the meeting point, which is called Utopia, is the name of the place. And it's already quite a lot of people over here. So let's see what the nightlife here in Seoul have for us. I hope it's very, very fun. We are in the area of Hongdae, a place which is very known for its vibrant nightlife over here in South Korea. So while we're waiting for the pop crowd to actually start, as this is the meeting point, we have ordered a gin tonic which costs roughly around $5, so it's not bad at all. So we're gonna do the first toast of the night. Cheers guys! Guys, and something very particular is that today the official website of Airbnb is doing a photo shooting over here. So we have here a professional photographer. Actually, they make us sign an agreement when we arrive to give, like, you know, our approval of our pictures to be used in the website. So as you can see, this is the release agreement that we signed at the beginning, giving the permit to Airbnb to use our pictures, our image. Okay guys, so we're just leaving our meeting point, which is Dokkabi. So quite curious to see what it's like, the first place of actually the pub crawl, as this is just a meeting point in which we had some drinks, but now we're gonna visit other 3 places in which we're gonna have some free shots and discounted drinks. But I'm really curious to see what it's like, the vibe over here in Hongdae, which is apparently the best place for party in all South Korea. So we started our way into the next place, and as you can see, it's super busy. A lot of people here in the area of Hongdae, but it's super vibey, really cool. The places of karaoke, you know, with your own private room. What I like of those ones over there is that they are like see-through. We will probably come to those maybe later. They kind of open 24 hours, so this is a particularity of the things you can do here in Hongdae and in all South Korea in general, as they love doing this karaoke. And another particularity of Hongdae and in South Korea also is that you can go to Korean barbecues pretty much 24 hours. We have seen in so many places that say Korean barbecue 24 hours, or some of them until 8 in the morning. So after you go party and you want to have some amazing Korean food, you can do it, which is insane. I never saw this in any other country around the world. Lemon, please. So we just arrived into the next place. It's called Zigzag International Pub. And in here also we get a tequila or a lemon mixed with tequila shot, and it's super busy. It's really vibey as well. I can say that it is only around 9:45 and it's pretty much crowded, all the streets and most of the places. So this place is more of like a sports bar, so people just chill, watch sports and play pool and have some drinks, of course. What I like is that they put in a lot of Latino music, which is my favorite music. I was very surprised because they put some particular songs that I wouldn't have expected them to listen here in South Korea, which is cool. And now we're just waiting to go to the next place. And in the meantime, we're gonna have more drinks. Okay guys, so we just left the Zigzag International Pub. We really like the concept that is like a sports bar in which you can play some pool, you can play some soccer table. So really cool. Of course, you can have drinks, dance, and just enjoy while you have a great time. I really like the fact that you have the outside part in which you can talk if you don't want the so loud music of the inside. So we are ready to go to the next place. So we are just going to get into the next place, guys, which is the Club FF here in Hongdae. So really looking forward to see what it's like, the environment over here. Right, so we just arrived to the FF Club in Hongdae, and it's like an underground cavern club. It's really good vibe, and as soon as we enter, they give us some free drinks. So what I like the most is that as soon as we enter as well, they put some reggaeton.
One of the coolest spots we found in Hongdae was FF Club. From the outside you might miss it, but once you're inside, you head on the ground. It's like stepping into a whole different world. The vibe is raw and real, and the music all over the place is the best way. They play rock, indie, reggaeton, international beats, K-pop, even some throwback pop. No rules, just the good energy and a packed dance floor. It felt like a hidden gem where anything goes, and we loved it. For our final stop in this Seoul Nightlife adventure, we actually decided to leave the pub crawl and explore on our own. That's when we saw something crazy, a massive line of Koreans outside a place called Wildest Club. The line was so long that it wrapped up around the block, 2-hour easy wait, and that's when we knew this place must be something special. Now, here is the hack. If you buy a bottle, you skip the line. So we just did that. 150,000 won for a bottle of gin and tonic, and honestly, worth every one. The vibe inside was insane, packed with locals, lights going crazy, bass hitting just right. It didn't feel touristy at all, it felt like we were deep in the heart of Seoul's real party scene. Great music, amazing energy, and yeah, I ended up dancing with a local girl all night. No cameras, no posing, just a real unforgettable party. Wildest Club was easily my favorite spot in all Hongdae. From Itaewon's white mix to Hongdae's youthful chaos, Seoul Nightlife blew me away. Each neighborhood has its own flavor, its own rhythm, and its own stories. Whether you are dancing in an underground club, joining a random pub crawl, or lining up with locals for a legendary night, Seoul really knows how to party. So if you ever visit, bring your energy, bring your curiosity, and get ready for nights you will never forget. This was Seoul Nightlife, guys, in South Korea, and I really cannot wait to come back. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to leave a comment below, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Travel wonderful.